Welcome to Pyramid IT's Tech Tips. I'm Stephen and this is video 2 of how to create a signature in Outlook. This week we're going to be using Word to create a more advanced email signature. Here in Word we're going to start off by creating a table. So we're going to insert table. It's only going to have a 2x1 table. This divided bit we're going to move it along, and in this first section I'm going to put a picture of myself. So I'm going to insert pictures, we'll select a headshot. As you can see it's far too big for the signature, so I'm just going to grab this corner and drag it down until we get to the size that we want. I'm quite happy with that. So on the right hand side this is where our information is going to be. So in fact I'll just copy and paste this in. And then when we go to do our email address, Word automatically detects it and creates it as a hyperlink, an email one, and below we'll type in our website address. And again, Word automatically detects it as a website, so it adds a URL link to your website. So we're also going to add in some social media links. So we're going to again insert pictures. I've got the Facebook logo. Create in. Again, we're just going to drag the top corner and shrink it until we're happy with the size. Go with that. Click at the end. Add a couple of spaces for separation. Insert pictures again, and we'll go with Twitter this time. Again, shrink it down until you're happy with the size of the logo. Don't know why that inverted, but never mind. You can get them at the same size. And again, some more spaces, and we'll do the third one, which will be YouTube. And that's what it's also handy if you edit the images so that they are to size before you start. So add a link again, just click on the icon, the image, go to insert, hit link. I'll bring up this box again that you've seen in the last video. So this time I'm going to copy in my Facebook link. And again, we'll do that with Twitter. Highlight the image, click link. I'm just copying and pasting in website addresses. And lastly, YouTube. Just copy and paste. I'll create the link. Now, you might want this box round about your image, but then again you might not. So we'll click in here, go to right click, and we'll go to table properties. Here we can edit the borders, and at the top we can quite easily click none. OK, OK again, and then that's disappeared all the borders. Or if you wanted something to divide your photo from your information, again table properties, borders and shading, go to custom and click on this wee middle bit here. Again you can change how thick you want the line and what colour you want, just leave it black for now. Hit OK and OK, and then you get a nice wee separation between the two. So how do you get this into Outlook? It's as simple as copy and pasting, so just highlight it all, hit Ctrl C, go to Outlook, back to new email, click out signatures and signatures again, new, and give it a title, and then hit Ctrl V to paste it all in. Again, we want to change this one just to make sure. Hit save and OK. So now whenever we create a new email, we get a nice new signature, and all the links that we created earlier on in Word are still there through our social media, through our website, and even our email. I hope you liked this video. In the next series of videos on Outlook Signatures, we're going to be using HubSpot's email signature generator. Looking forward to seeing you then. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next week. Bye!